Over the last 7 years, Randaddys went through some serious adventures. We went through hurricanes, floods, snowstorms, and 3 renovations. This year, we're going to top it all off. After talking to everyone who comes through the doors, we're going to blow out the whole restaurant. More importantly, we're going to make it more comfortable, more spacious, and really make the adventure come alive and make the story come alive. Just opening up tenders right now, and this is the day we're picking somebody. And the wine rack is coming down. Here we go, the restaurant. This is the stage that we are at right now. It is complete. Another disaster zone back here. We're going to be blowing out walls. We've already blown out those walls. Happy New Year. It's January 3rd. Lads are going at it. We've got the whole area blowing out. All walls are gone. Everybody's working like maniacs to get this place open for the mid-February. It's going to be brilliant.
With Randy, the internal job is going on, and it's just absolutely fantastic to see it happen. In the first couple of weeks of January, it's starting off the new year to see a new rocket about to take off for the him, so it's going to make a big difference to the overall place. I'm on the board, representing everybody else on the board here. Yeah, I think it's great what Randy's done here. It's great expansion into the courtyard. Hopefully it'll open up the whole facility and bring even more colour finish to the area.
It's the first day so far since we started the interior design. It seems to be moving quite along. We've got the kitchen being laid out really fast. Bit of a stage, bit of a lift and raised area. Gonna be great. 2 levels. Nobody's really gonna know what's coming their way. Today's a bit of a packed day. We have really 2 days left before the project is supposed to be 95% complete. We have about 18 guys working on site today, and there's a little bit of a calmness but a panic in the air. So we have plumbers here, we have electricians here, we have the regular builders here. There's everybody here. So everybody's last minute. It's like on TV, last minute before the customer comes in.
My name is Michael Cagney. I'm the secretary of Lane SeaWorld. We're the leasees to Randy.
I'm Dennis Green, I'm chairperson of Lane SeaWorld, and we're very happy with Randy and what he's done for SeaWorld in the last 5, 6, 7 years, I suppose.
Here's a before, and here's an after. Over the last 4 months, we've had many tradesmen come through here. Their hands have been crafting the new Randaddys and making the adventure come alive. Now it's time to pick up where we left off. Time to get the cookers going and the seats warmed up. It's time to open the doors.